Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys Echo Park's fall warehouse sale. Now I know this doesn't look like fall, but the way that they have emailed me about it said fall warehouse sale. So I'm going to show you guys what they have. It's going on from today to the 25th. You get free shipping if you order over $50. Obviously the free shipping only applies to the US. But let me show you guys what they have because they have a lot of stuff here. So look at all of their categories, which I don't even know what printed cardstock is, so we're about to see. But starting off with their, what should we start off with? Albums. Here are the albums they have, mostly Christmas. They seem to have these a lot of the time, but guys, look at the price. They're only $4. So if you're looking for an album that has the rings and all you need to do is add in like those photo sleeves, you could get one of these and they're already kind of done up for you for Christmas. Here are their sticker books. These don't have any sort of sale or anything, so they're just $4 each. But let me see if I could find the one that I love. I do like Jingle All the Way. That's one that I like, but Home for Christmas is another one. But they have summer books here. They actually have a lot of summer. They have some wedding, some baby books, and Happy Christmas. Actually, you know what? That one might look like a good one. Oh, I like that one has a bunch of like Christmas sentiments here. So that is nice. I love the Christmas sentiments, and actually these are pretty good. Those stickers. So if you're gonna get a sticker book, the Happy Christmas seems like a good one. But you could just look through these also and see what else they have. Like this one, I mean, this is very specific to kind of baking, so I wouldn't really recommend that unless you're gonna make some baking books or whatever. But yeah, so those are the sticker books. Now for the next thing, here they had a sale, which is $3 each or 5 for $10. So you could stock up on these. These are the Adhesive Brads, so they don't actually have like those prongs on the back. They are just adhesive decoration with a couple of chipboard pieces. I don't get these often, but sometimes, like I keep some Halloween ones, not Halloween, oh my gosh, what am I saying? I keep some Christmas ones on hand because sometimes they're good for folios in the center of your folio, just for a little bit of added decoration, because a folio obviously doesn't have anything on the spine. So I do like to add those there, and then sometimes on the outside of an album as well. Here are Enamel Dots. They don't have any more discounts on Enamel Dots. They are just $3 each, but you guys know I always stock up on the fall ones. They have boy ones, which, you know what? You could use these for anything. Like, these are labeled for collection, but go by the colors that you need. You do not need to go by collection for these, and I don't. I cut mine apart and I stash them away by color because that is how I use them. If I need orange, I know where to look. Like, shop for what you need and not necessarily by collection. And I also tend to buy a lot of the Christmas ones, so they have that. The next category is going to be sticker sheets, so they are $2 each, or you could get 10 for $15. Ooh, look at those Halloween ones, and they got Christmas and they got fall. And if you have these collections in 6x6 paper pads and you want some of the sticker sheets, you could get this or get the sticker book. I personally like the sticker book because they're smaller stickers, but if you're looking for some bigger ones, then generally the sticker sheets are good. And if maybe you are making a bigger project, the sticker sheets are good. I still have a ton of these also, and I push myself to try and like use up all of them. So if I finish up a collection and I don't finish the sticker sheet, I put it aside, and then the next time I do craft with like a 6x6 pad, for example Halloween, and I don't have any stickers to go with it, I go through my stash and I usually have some kind of like leftover from another collection that will match. I do the same thing with my Christmas, my winter, pretty much all my sticker sheets. I have a whole separate section for my used sticker sheets that I dip into often. But these Christmas ones, like this Salutation one, would be fantastic to make cards. They are all pretty much sentiments that you can add on top of like a scrappy card that you might make. Even this Halloween one has a ton of sentiments, which is what kind of I look for in these sticker sheets. I love these sentiments. So if you're gonna get those, and you need some sentiments, then yeah, get those. This one also, this other Christmas salutations, that one has a ton. There's some summer ones if you just want some decorative elements. That one looks like it has some smaller pieces in it too. But they have fall, they have this Valentine's Day one, this coffee one. They definitely have a very, very nice selection of these sticker sheets. Actually, wow, I am impressed. 3 sheets of sticker sheets. That is pretty impressive. I don't think I've ever seen so many sticker sheets at a time. Ooh, that one's a nice one. Hello Valentine. All right, let me keep scrolling and let's get to page 3. And this is the last one. Yeah, they got a lot of Christmas guides. All right, so check that out. The next category is chipboard. So chipboard is $3 each or 5 for $10. So here is the chipboard. Their chipboard is like the half pages, not like, what is it? What's that company called? Crate Paper. They do like the full 12 by 12 sheets. Well, Echo Park does like the half 6 by 13 kind of ish sheets, which are still great. I personally, and that's if you like chipboard. I personally do not use these often. I rarely ever buy them. If I really, really love a collection, like I might get it, but most of the time I don't bother getting these guys. You can if you like to do dimension. You can if you like to do Happy Mail. People tend to do a lot of dimension then. Memory Dex cards. But if you are just making albums, you're totally fine with the sticker sheets, and you could always add foam dots to the back of them. You could always glue them onto some scrap chipboard you might have. So yeah, but if you like chipboard, go for it. Ephemera, $3 each or 10 for $20. And they have a ton of ephemera. I do get a ton of these all the time, and I usually have them to go with my collections, but I also just use them aside from my collection. Oh, this one's so cute, this Oh Dear one. Let me add a couple of these to my cart. I don't know if I'm going to check out if I'm going to reach the 50, but we shall see. But those were really cute. Like, let me look at those in detail because they're looking cute. Sometimes they have the back picture of it. Like, I really like that ho ho ho. This has a lot of sentiments, actually. That's a nice one. Sometimes I don't have enough sentiments, but that's a good one. And then this one, let's see that one. This is what that, oh, that one has a lot of sentiments too. See, I picked some good ones. Those two are great. Okay, but they have other fall ones, other Christmas. I see some Halloween going on here. 4th of July, Disney, some wintry ones, more Christmas, more Halloween. So they have some options for these, and these do have a discounted price if you buy more. So yeah, check these out. These are good. I have a whole stash of these. I usually keep mine with like the theme of the collection, not necessarily the collection, but just like the theme. So if I would get like the So Much Fun one, I would put it in my winter theme, for example. If I got some Christmas ones, I'd put it in my Christmas bin and not necessarily separated by collection. Here are the 6x6 paper pads, and the 6x6 paper pads are $4 each or 3 for $10. So we got fall. I love this one. I did just use mine up. We got, oh, I used the fall fever too. You guys, if you guys just saw my last project, I used that up. So if you didn't get it, or and you want to get it, check out this sale because it's $4 as opposed to $8. Gnome for Christmas is such a cute one. I love that one also. Santa Claus Lane. Those are all really nice ones. Ooh, Letters to Santa. That one looks so pretty. Oh, I really like that one. Do I have that one? I might have that one actually. I gotta check, but I'll add it to my cart for the time being. Some baby ones. There's some Disney, some summer. What else we got here? Just a lot of first responder collections. This is great if you want to make some cards for nurses and things, or just like one little album to thank a nurse, or a couple albums with a 6x6 paper pad. My Valentine in a 6x6. That's a nice one. All right, moving on to collection kits. They are $7.50 each. But if you get more, you get a discount. So 4 for $25 or 10 for $60. So here are the collection kits. And while I'm here, this one is no longer sold. One of my absolute favorite nautical summer collections. So if you want to get it, get your hands on that By the Sea collection because they do not make it anymore. And it is discontinued. They have the snowed in one. The last one I wanted to get that they were out of by the time I went shopping and started looking online. There's another one here. It was, I will tell you, but they have some 4th of July. They have the first responder and the 12 by 12. They got baby. They got boy, girl. They got the letters to Santa. I'm pretty sure I have that in the 12 by 12. Hold on, maybe it's on page 2. I was looking through this one specifically before. More summer, girl. Okay, where is that collection? I really thought it was on page 1. Maybe it's not. Some fall. Look here, they got Hello Autumn, Welcome Fall, Christmas Delivery. Oh my gosh, I love that one. That's another one of my favorites. Ooh, this one, Welcome Winter. I wanted that one last time and they were out, so I will add that one to my cart. Deep Blue Sea is another nautical one, and they got 3 pages going on over here for this, so yeah, check that out. I like these also. These make great little like note cards. What is happening? What is this AF lock on my I don't know what that was telling me on my phone. These are great, like the thank you ones, if you just want to make a bunch of note cards, and you can make them pretty plain, so those are always good. All right, moving on to solid kits. So $3 each or 10 for $25. I think this is just solid paper. Yep. So these ones, I tend to get some of the Christmas ones. I just get usually a bunch of different Christmas ones, and whatever matches with my Christmas is what I use. But you know, they're all very similar. So you could usually find something with every Christmas paper to go with something else. Valentine's Day, same thing. This fall one, yes but no. That blue one is going to be hard to match, but the oranges and the yellows and the reds usually will match with other fall collections. Okay, so that is solids. Next up, we got mega pads, $5 each or 3 for $12. And they got the Fall Fever, they got Welcome Fall, they got Santa Claus Lane, all great collections, and Letters to Santa. Those are all fantastic collections, guys, so check those out. Oh, they don't have a lot of these, but it's a girl, it's a boy. If you want to make some baby girl albums or even a wedding album here, you get 48 sheets, and I believe that usually comes with some solids. The Puffy Stickers is next. There's no additional sale on these. These are just $2.50, but the Puffy Stickers are generally smaller than the chipboard, so if you are looking for a little bit of dimension, more than a sticker, less than some chipboard, and you want some small stickers, this is a great option. I generally don't buy these either, but it is another option if you guys want some additional dimension, but they are on the smaller side. So they have fall, Christmas, baby, you know, the norm or the huge. Photo sleeves. The photo sleeves are great for the album, so if you are looking for some, you would need to look for those 6x8. So the 12x12 are great also if you have a 12x12 kind of scrapbook, but the albums they sell on this website are the 6x8, so you'd be looking at something like this or some of these other 6x8 ones, like these two right here are 6x8. So yeah, you would just have to look at the sizes. All these are 6x8 and so on. So those are the photo sleeves. Cardstock. This is the printed cardstock. They're just solid papers, but this is a first that I have seen individual sheets. So if you just want to get red or green or whatever, you could get a bunch of colors here. This is really a first. I've never seen this before. This is so interesting. But is there a mustardy color? No, that's a tangerine. I would look for a mustard because I'm always out of my mustard colors. Oh, that one says mustard, but that's not quite the one I'm looking for either, maybe. But the mustardy colors and like a nice orange is what I usually run out of with my fall. So that is the printed cardstock section that was new. And then they have the washi tape section right here, which is $2 each. Again, I generally don't use washi tape. I never buy the washi tape. There was a time where I was a planner person, a paper planner person, and I used a ton of washi, or actually no, I lied. I did not use a ton of washi. I bought a ton of washi thinking I was going to use it, but I did not. So unless you actually know how to use washi tape and you really love using it, don't get the washi tape. All right, but they have 2 pages of washi tape for you guys to browse through if you are interested in that. So again, that is the Echo Park warehouse sale. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what they have. Check it out if you guys are interested. Sorry for those of you that don't live in the US. I know shipping is expensive, but for those of you that are in the US, happy shopping. They have some fantastic things on here, so check it out. Alright guys, that is everything. Just wanted to let you guys know about the sale, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.